So how to invite your friends to PayPal. So to refer a friend to PayPal, it's very simple to do. So first things first is you want to open up the PayPal app and you just want to go ahead and click on the three lines at the top right here. Then once you've done that, it then opens you up to the menu page here and you simply just want to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on your profile right here. Then once you've clicked on your profile, it'll open you up to this page here. And nice and simple, you just want to click on invite friends. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here. So as you can see, right now you can use your code to invite a friend to PayPal and you'll get £10 every time you refer a friend and they complete all the steps. So obviously it's very important to read all the terms and conditions. Make sure it all applies, as you can only share your referral link with friends and family only. And once your friend or family member joins PayPal and spends £5 within 30 days, you'll get £10. So to go ahead and invite your friend, you just want to select share your invite. And then from there, you can then go ahead and copy your link or forward it onto them in a message. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.